Welcome to our channel. Today we how to plan your financial life strategically step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all necessary documents, such as income statements, bank statements, and bills. Calculate your total monthly income from all sources. List and categorize your monthly expenses into fixed and variable categories. Identify your discretionary spending and any subscriptions or memberships. Next, set clear financial goals. Determine short-term goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card. Establish medium-term goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house. Lastly, outline long-term goals, including retirement savings and investment strategies. Once your goals are defined, create a budget. Choose a budgeting method that fits your lifestyle, such as the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate your income according to the budget categories you've established. Monitor your spending regularly to ensure adherence to your budget. After budgeting, build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will provide a safety net for unexpected expenses. Next, focus on managing debt. List all your debts, including interest rates and minimum payments. Prioritize high-interest debts for quicker repayment. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. Once your debt is manageable, begin investing. Start by educating yourself on different investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, and mutual. Determine your risk tolerance and time horizon for investments. Open an investment account that suits your needs. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risks while aiming for growth. Continuously revisit and adjust your financial plan. Set aside time each year to review your goals and progress. Make adjustments to your budget and investment strategies as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.